Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our TK-105 mid-span slit and ring toolkit. This toolkit provides an array of tools designed to gain easy access into fiber optic cables and buffer tubes. So let me take out the tools. I'll show you which ones are in here. We have the MS306 mid-span slit and ring tool. Has 6 slots and goes from 1.2 millimeters to 3.3 millimeters. The next tool is the MS-316, which has slots ranging in size from 2.9 millimeters to 6.8 millimeters. Again, it's a mid-span slit and ring tool. The MS-326 mid-span slit and ring tool, and this has 5 slots ranging in size from 5 millimeters to 10 millimeters. We have the FOD 2000, which is designed for slitting open flat drop cables such as the Corning SST series. And we have the CSR-1575 cable slit and ring tool, and this is a more universal slit and ring tool. It can do mid-span as well as end access. The slitting blade is adjustable with simple screwdriver. Loosen the blade, move it up and down, and the ring blade is also adjustable simply by turning this knob. All this comes packed in our H-20 rugged carry case. This case has inside plenty of room for all the tools and additional items you may add, as well as a pocket in the front. It's made of a rugged polyester material, and it is great to have to carry all these tools in it. Thanks.